Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Drippy here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can make your very own Unblocked Gaming website on Google Sites. Now, I do know that Google Sites has blocked like Flash player stuff because it's gonna go out by 2020, which kind of sucks. 2020 is almost over. I mean, I want 2020 to be over. A terrible year, but still, I don't want Flash to be gone, man. But still, here's how to make your very own Unblocked Games website. So, yeah, I'll be showing it how it is on Unblocked Games World. I don't know how to make the computercounter.com. I have no idea what that is, but okay. Okay, so we're gonna make a website like this, and basically this is my website that I have. Here, I'll show you an example. Now, you guys can't hear Riddle School because I have the audio turned off on my recorder because, trust me, the audio is very loud. So yeah, as you can see, Jump represents, and then you can just skip through all that. As you can see, animations play perfectly. Everything plays perfectly. And you actually don't have to download anything. So if you actually have access to an Unblocked Games website and Google Sites, which you should, I don't think school would block that, but yeah, so then you can actually make this on your very own Chromebook or any other computer where the games are blocked. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to make this. So basically, as you guys can see, I'm on the old version of sites. Now, here's how you do that. So let's just go into sites.google.com real quick. As you guys can see, I'm on the new version. Now, as you guys can see, I tried to make this on the old version. On the new version. But yeah, it doesn't work that well anymore. And honestly, I think the layout on the old version is still much more better. It's still much better. So basically, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click on Back to Classic Sites, right there on the bottom. As you can see, this is one of my websites. Now let's just click on Create and in Classic Sites. Yeah, just keep it as blank template and name your site. I'll just name it Unblocked Games 101 or something like that. I don't know. I'm not a robot. More options. Site description. I'll just do Unblocked Games for now. And then let's creating a site. I'm pretty sure that website is probably done. It's probably taken. It's probably went through an error. Creating a site. Yeah, the location you have chosen is not available. Alright, so we can't use that. I'll just do YT Unblocked Site for now. And I'll leave the site in the description so you guys can check out what we've done. And create a site. It's creating your site. I think this one is working. It's on area. Takes a second. Just wait. There we go. As you can see, here we are. Now, the reason why mine is dark theme, I have a extension called Dark Reader. I can turn it off, but look how bright that is. I don't like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep that on. Next, while we're on the home page, I'm actually gonna click on Edit, and I'm gonna change this to Welcome. Alright. Then I'll say Welcome to Unblocked Games 101. Here you will have your favorite Flash games unblocked. Right? Now, once we've done that, we're just gonna click on Save. Alright, there we go. Now, let's see what game we want to add in here. Let's add in the Impossible Quiz. Alright. Yeah, it's adding the Impossible Quiz. So yeah, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back here, and next we're going to want to click on Create Page. Alright, and now, name of your page, let's just name it The Impossible Quiz. The Impossible quiz, right? Just like that. Yeah, put page at top level, the impossible quiz. Alright, this seems all good. Click on create. Now, here, we want to play the impossible quiz unblocked. Alright, now we're just going to want to go down the line. And then what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to go onto insert. And then we're going to want to click on more gadgets. Here, you're going to want to click on public. And then click on include gadget iframe. Just like that. Whoops. Yeah, just like that. Click on select. And now here, the URL to content. Here I'll be showing you guys what to do. So now, go onto an Unblocked Games website, which I recommend, like maybe Tyrone's, Unblocked Games, all that stuff, right? So yeah, you're just going to want to go onto one of those websites. So yeah, just like this one. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the page source by pressing Control and U, or right clicking and doing view page source, just like that. Next, we're going to want to click on Control F and then search for .sfw. And there are no results, but we do have this right here, which is perfectly fine actually. Even though it does not have an SFW, it's still fine because we're using it as an iframe. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's literally the impossible quiz game right here. So you're just going to want to copy the link on top, go back to your website, and then paste in the address or the URL right here. Now I'm going to send this to no, and I recommend unchecking this and checking this. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go here, and we're going to want to see the dimensions of the game. So the width is 900 and the height is 650. So we're going to want to go here, and the width is 900 and the height is 650. Let me just double check. Yeah, okay. So let's just click on preview gadget. And now as you guys can see here, we have the impossible quiz. So let's just click on OK. And now you're going to see this. Don't worry. Just I'd suggest clicking on this and actually centering the game. Just makes it look a lot better. And now if we click on save, ready, there we go. It's the impossible quiz right there. We have the impossible quiz inside of our game or website, just like that. And as you can see, I'm kind of pro at this, but yeah, we have the impossible quiz inside of our game. I'm just gonna play it for a bit because I love this game. I believe it is H. Yeah. So hammer, blue, orange, green, yellow, go, zoom, yeah, all that stuff. So oops, I meant to click that. So yeah. Anyways, let's just I'm not trying to bore you there. Yeah, as you guys can see, we have a welcome page and the impossible quiz. Yeah, I mean, it's really not that hard to make one of these games. It's pretty easy actually to make one of these games, as you can see here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, this is actually a pretty short one. Yeah, so you guys can basically add any game, even if it isn't a Flash game. You guys are just gonna need the iframe thing of it, which is right here. Well, it's kind of the site's embed border off. It's like an embed, right? But yeah, no, still, you see here it says iframe. It's an iframe. If you can't figure it out, just look up the answer somewhere. I don't care. It's not like you're gonna get some cops knocking down your door because the FBI agent assigned to your webcam overheard you talking to yourself about it. That was quite the paragraph. Is that even there? Oh yeah, it is. And you actually can install it. They have the SWF right there, which is actually really handy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and goodbye.